Hi, so I'm Martin Krejca. I'm assistant professor at the computer science department of Polytechnique, the team of algorithms and complexity, and I'm very happy to be here. So thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to briefly present my work. So we already saw that there are a lot of facets when it comes to optimization, right? So we saw some very specific problems where we try to exploit problem structure, really get like the best algorithms possible. And then of course we also saw some more general methods, and I'm sort of in this end of the spectrum. So general purpose optimization. Basically, we also call this sometimes black box optimization, where we try to work with as little information as we have. So we really try to make as few assumptions about the problem as we have. And I imagine this is this sort of exotic, exciting landscape. So Clément also today in the morning thought about this similarly, so maybe we should go for a hike. In difference to what we saw beforehand, I'm a bit more positive maybe, so I aim at maximization, but it doesn't really matter. So now, of course, when we're faced with this very general problem, we don't really know what obstacles to face. So this is what this landscape should kind of visualize. So, of course, as we see there might be like some deep valleys that we may have to cross if we want to go to the top. A lot of different hilltops or whatnot. We're not sure if we have to cross all of them, if there might be some sneaky path around that we need to find. Also, we might find some information on the way, but we're not sure, can we really trust it or not? So the main question in this scenario is, what kind of tools are really useful for whatever problems we're going to face? So is a backpack, for example, enough? What tools can I fit into this backpack? Do we maybe have sufficient budget to use a helicopter, as you see here? Would this even be useful in such a setting in the first place? So these are kind of some metaphorical questions that I'm trying to answer. So by studying different tools mathematically, basically providing guarantees when they work well, when they fail, and then in the best case also to provide some better tools that improve the ones that already exist, and thus to propose some recommendations of how you can try to handle such a landscape quite gracefully. Now, of course, if you have any problems that you don't really know how to solve, I mean, I'm very happy to discuss this, and maybe we can come up with a solution together. Thank you very much.